Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x to the power of 3. We have 3x squared. First derivative of x to the power of 6. We have 6x to the power of 5. This one that's about the constant. So you got 0. So this one we see that 2x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 2. But this one you have 9x squared minus 6x to the power of 5. So if we want to create about this one, we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over negative number 3. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.